Hello folks, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar. Let's get started. What you'll need is a gallon jar, pickle jar, either one will do fine. And you'll need some scraps from your apples, cores, peelings, whatever will do. Just fill it up to the top there. Now pour in about a half cup sugar. Just depends on sugar, it'll speed up the fermentation process. Now pour in your filtered water. Now you don't have to do this, but we're doing it. It's a weight there that people use for fermentation. It just sits on top of stuff and pushes stuff down. Here we're making our second jar of it. Again, peelings, cores, whatever will do. Just keep filling it up to the top. Now pour in your half cup sugar. Again, it don't matter how much you put in, we just put a little bit more, it'll speed up the fermentation process. Put in some more filtered water. It's got to be filtered there. You can get filtered water at the store, or if you've got one of these things on your sink there, it does good. Filters out the stuff there from like if you've got city water, whatever. You could even boil the water and it'll get the stuff out there, and just let it cool down before you put it in your jar there. Just fill it up to the top there. Make sure the sugar gets dissolved down. Again, you don't have to use the weight there, it just keeps the stuff pushed down underneath the water. Now, take you a piece of cloth, whatever will do, put your rubber band around it, just to keep everything from getting in it. Put it in a cool, dark place. Take roughly 3 to 4 weeks, it'll be done. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications so you know when we upload, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.